Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday to each and every one of you. Today is the 8th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are Fridays and weekends and barbecue and spending time with my daughters and my wife and pretzels. I have several good things to share. Before I get into that, this is going to be a video for both AVID and Core today. So I'll be talking about some things that might not apply to you, but I'm going to keep it very short, so bear with me. All right, good things that people shared with me from yesterday are Friday Eve, Google Translate, pink hair, hanging curtains, The Outsiders, bagels, milk, boba, coffee, pancakes, tea, grandmas who sing, and the word bueno. All right, let's get into it. For Core today, it is that relax and refresh and catch up on work day. Just a couple of reminders. By next Tuesday, I'll expect you to be through Chapter 4 of The Outsiders. Make sure you're replying to the reader response things in that presentation. If I don't have your argument essay yet, get that into me. It was actually due on Tuesday. And then there are a few of you who still need to do your Literably assessment. Please take care of that. Remember, it's not everybody, but I did send emails twice now to everybody who does need to do that. I'll be sending out some more reminders today. So if you got any of those emails from me and you haven't yet done it, please do so. Let's take a look at the AVID assignment guide. The only thing you really have pending right now is that request I made to you to thank a teacher. It is Teacher Appreciation Week. I have had a couple of messages from students just thanking me for things, and it's a big deal. I appreciate them immensely. So do that for a teacher, right? Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, do it for anybody, right? Look into your heart, think a little bit analytically. Who has been a boon to you? Who has helped you out tremendously, academically or in any other way? And say thank you. That's always a smart thing to do. But this is Teacher Appreciation Week, so specifically for a teacher would be great. I think that's it. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Have a fantastic weekend. And bye-bye.